Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to take a look at the columns feature in the data page. The data page is essential for tracking user activity, collaboration, and capturing data. This page acts like a snapshot of the underlying database while also allowing interaction with records. Obviously, not all web applications have the same requirements, and you might want to change the looks of this page. Let's take an example. We are currently looking at the data page for an order entry application that contains a number of saved records. The data page configuration is unique for each web application, and you can configure this page based on your needs on an application-by-application basis. You can modify the data page columns to display specific system fields and fields from your web application. To do this, click the Columns button on the data page. This will open the layout page where you can modify these columns. If you enable wrap, the data displayed on the data grid will be wrapped to fit the allocated space in each column by moving the overflow into the next line. The sequence column shows the order at which each column is going to be displayed on the data page. You can change the order using the arrows under the Change Sequence field. You can change individual column headers from the label property. To do this, click the name of a column and then press the check mark to save your changes. The Type column determines the type of data you can select from the Field property. System means that the field option will show the system field like the date a record was created or the name of the user who owns that record. If you select Custom, you're going to be able to select from the name ranges in your web application. The Sort column property will allow you to sort the records shown on the data page by a specific field. When you enable Sort column for any of the fields, you're going to be able to choose a sort direction as well. These two settings will determine how the data page will look when a user comes here. However, users can always sort by any other field by clicking that column. You can set formatting options for the data being shown in a column from the Data Mask option. Row will show the data as is without any formatting. The options available here will depend on the type of data saved under that field. For example, order total here is a numeric field, so we can choose from currency, comma separated, exponential, and percentage. When you assign the View column property to a field, clicking the data displayed on that column will open that particular record in View Only mode. When a record is opened in View mode, users will not be able to edit or save any data. To remove a column, click the red button next to it. To add a new column, press the Add New Column button on the top right. Note that an application can have a minimum of 5 columns and a maximum of 20 columns at any given time.